stand up. Fresh out of handcuffs.
Nigga, swing around the corner with the pedal to the metal. Got the cool fish telling, yelling, fuck it, I'm a rebel. Live on arrival, man, it's all about survival. Got a rifle, but my rivals on packing heavy metal. Jakes on me, trying to run the place on me, race on me. Hit the interstate, I gotta make it out the ghetto. Concrete jungle, trying to stay humble, but until we stack bundles, baby, we'll never settle. So let your paper stack. Who's afraid of hell? I'm from North, nigga. Satan won't make it back. Click, clap. Yeah, I hold a grudge, hard-headed motherfucker, I'ma go tit-for-tat. Ghetto bitches with tits and tats on them, the fatter the ass on them, the better the stash of nigga packs. Now who the best to ever kick a rap on the instrumental track and go and ask a nigga that? I bet the answer be Apollo, wrong one to follow, not a role model. Oh no, I live my life full throttle. They done let me go, my nigga cracking up a bottle.
Nigga fresh out of handcuffs. Rebel niggas stand up. Fresh out of handcuffs. Rebel niggas stand up. Nigga fresh out of handcuffs. Rebel niggas stand up. Fresh out of handcuffs. I say all my rebel niggas stand up.
And this is strictly for the grind. This is me, the marijuana, and the liquor be menage. Said I got too many rhymes in the archives. Nines make your niggas back it up like a hard drive. Drive hard and fly cars. One night hit 5 bars, nigga, give me 5 stars, nigga. Oh, willing cars, killing bars, being bars, having bras, popping leaves, filling bras. I'm a G, you a fraud. Nigga, no, I don't wanna talk, ain't no collab. I don't like none of y'all motherfuckers rap. I snatch the mic from rappers and I make it happen. I'm with a bunch of Jersey niggas, get the clapping. Say you getting money, nigga, yeah, you trapping. I trap you in your trap house, then I pull a strap out. Apollo get the rat-tat-tat-tat.
Nigga fresh out of handcuffs. Rebel niggas stand up. Fresh out of handcuffs. Rebel niggas stand up. Nigga fresh out of handcuffs. Rebel niggas stand up. Fresh out of handcuffs. I say all my rebel niggas stand up.
Baby, I hop the straps when they come
Where
for
all my
ya.
ladies
I even flush the packs when they come
Where
for
all my
ya.
ladies at that love a nigga on the run?
Baby, you better run, nigga, run. Baby, I hop the straps when they come
Where all
for
my
ya.
ladies
I even
at
flush the packs when they come
Where
for
all my
ya.
ladies
Know
at
that I got
that
your
a
back
nigga
when
on
they
the
come for
run?
ya. Baby, you better run, nigga, run.
Fresh out of handcuffs. Y'all know who it is. The Jersey Kid. Lincoln is how I live. Y'all trying to push me over the edge.